Hi, welcome to Good Times with the Goodmans. Today we're going to be making smoothies. Yay!
Life is good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
And if you follow me on Instagram called Naturally Riri, you'll see that I always make smoothies for my family. And today the first smoothie we're going to be making is the pineapple, orange, kiwi, and spinach smoothie. The benefits of pineapple is that you get a healthy digestive system and strong bones. Kiwi is good for vision. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C and promotes healthy skin, radiant, beautiful skin. And spinach is good for healthy hair and also radiant, beautiful skin. So we're going to get started with our smoothie today. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Okay, so the first thing, of course, is the ice we're going to put in first. Okay. All right. You guys can help me put the oranges in. Yeah. Put the oranges in here. See? You can nail up if you want to. Yeah. Help mommy put the oranges in here, okay? Yeah, you can nail up some. You can stand up. It's fine. Good job, you guys.
Now I have you.
That's good.
Why
Good job.
And one more.
Orange. This is the pineapple. Maybe a little. All right, good job, you guys. Now I'm going to put some kiwi in there. And scoop it out. Ew. It's yummy. It's not yucky.
It's fun.
And it's yummy spinach. Few greens in there. A little bit. That's good. And 2 tablespoons of pina colada. Yeah.
Mommy, Draco Smoothies, Mommy, Draco Smoothies. Mommy, don't spoon me.
1, 2. Yummy. Okay.
Tasty.
And some milk.
Yes. Wow! Giant.
Okay.
It's now you put the dollar. We want to make love.
All right.
Let's go start it.
And now I'm going to put this on medium. All right. So we're going to try it out. All right. So I'm going to give some to Raya. Let me put it down so I can put it. Wow. Some for Nala. And some for Mommy. Huh?
It looked like more than some to me.
You like it? Mm. Hi, we're back, and we're gonna make another smoothie. It's gonna be the banana, strawberry, and blueberry smoothie. And this time we're gonna try the cranberry smoothie mix this time. So let's get started. Hey, good job. You keep going. Good job.
And more bananas, okay, Daddy? Be small. Big bacon. There you go. One more time. Okay, put it right here.
Faster, put it faster.
Fast.
Winner, hurry, winner.
Winner!
Yay! You're trying it.
All right, so now I'm gonna put the ice
Do
in.
it. Do it.
All right, so we're done with this. So now we're about to pour them in the cup. Ready to taste it?
Yay! Let's taste it. A little bit more. Take it slowly.
And there you go.
Daddy.
You taste it. Yummy. You like it?
I want more smoothie.
One more.
Yeah. I want.
All right, we're back, and we're going to make the peach, Granny Apple Smith, and mango smoothie. Also, we have the non-alcoholic peach daiquiri mix. The Granny Apple Smith is high in fiber. The peach is good for your heart health. And the mango is high in antioxidants. So let's get started with this smoothie. Yay! Go ahead, put the ice. Yay! Nala, put the apples in. Okay, put the apples in. Yay, Nala. Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's banana.
Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching our smoothie video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Good Times with the Goodmans. Until next time, bye. Yummy, right? All gone. Yummy.